This is an arrangement 4 fan. The motor is hooked up directly to the wheel. So this kind of technology, before the invention of the variable frequency drive, could only run at the standard frequency in your country, wherever it is that you're installing your fan. So in this case, in the USA, this is a 60 hertz motor. It's rated for 3,520 RPM. So before a VFD, that's the speed you are locked into when you receive the fan like this. Today, not so much. If you're using a VFD in your application, you have the ability to vary the speed of your fan, anywhere from 3 to 60 hertz often. Is it safe to run my motor above 60 hertz? If your fan is not rated to run higher than 60 hertz, if the max safe speed of the wheel does not exceed 60 hertz, don't run over 60 hertz. But there are many motors that actually can be run safely over 60 hertz. If you consult your NEMA table for the brand of motor that you have, or you reach out to your fan application engineer, you should be able to get information on which motors can and cannot run over 60 hertz. Some motors up to 50 horsepower, if they're premium efficiency rated, can be run over 3,600 RPM. How much higher they can run, you have to consult the table and see how fast they're rated for. But some of them are rated for up to 5,400 RPM, 5,000 RPM, 4,500 RPM. The number gets closer to 3,600, the bigger the motor gets. At 1,800 RPM, the horsepower even gets larger. You can run 300 horsepower motors often over 60 hertz safely. Again, consult the NEMA table, go to your fan application engineer. You may find that there's a lot more capacity to run over the rated frequency where your fan is installed. But always consult the max safe speed of the fan first.